Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create subdomain. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it? So first of all, open cpanel and scroll down. Then inside of this domain section you will find subdomains option. So open this, and here we can see create a subdomain option. So give here your subdomain name. So I'm giving here example, and my parent domain is howtounminute.com, and the document root will be example.howtounminute.com. You can change the root from here. Then click on create. Here we can see successfully I created example.howtounminute.com. Now if I click on go back, and here is my subdomain has been created. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. Thanks for watching this video.